Hello, business owners. Are you confident that your business meets all state and industry insurance requirements? If you're not sure or the word compliance gives you a little anxiety, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to avoid costly penalties like lawsuits and unnecessary stress by staying compliant with insurance laws in your industry and state. I'll break it down step by step, and I'll even share a real-life story from one of my clients who learned this lesson the hard way. So let's get started. Now, what compliance means and why it matters. Let's begin with the basics. Compliance means meeting your state's legal requirement and your industry insurance standards. It's not just about having insurance, it's about having the right kind of insurance and the right amount. Failing to comply can lead to fines, lawsuits, revoke of business licenses, or even contract denials. This is especially true for businesses that have elevated to where contracts are required. But to receive those contracts, again, the right kind of insurance and the right amount of insurance must be maintained. For example, if you're a subcontractor, you might need proof of general liability and workers' comp before you can step on the job. Or you're a tech firm handling client data, then cyber liability insurance might be required under. The bottom line is, compliance isn't optional, it's essential. Now, let me tell you about a client of mine who runs a mid-sized cleaning company. He had general liability and commercial auto coverage, but he didn't realize that once he hired his fifth employee, the state required him to carry workers' compensation insurance. Well, guess what happened? One of his workers slipped, got injured on the job, and filed a claim. The state discovered that he didn't have the right coverage in place. Not only did he have to pay out of pocket for the injury, but he also got hit with penalties for non-compliance. This situation could have easily been avoided with a quick policy review. And that's why I say, don't assume. Check with a professional. Now, steps to stay insurance compliant. And here's how to stay on top of your insurance compliance game. Number one, know your state's rules. Each state has different rules. For example, Ohio, Texas, and Florida have different thresholds when workers' comp becomes mandatory. Step two, know your industry requirements. Are you a contractor, a food truck owner, daycare operator, or online seller? Each industry has unique needs and often requirements for licensing and insurance. Step three, review all contracts. Before you sign any lease, vendor agreement, or client contract, read the fine print. Many contracts require a specific level of coverage, often with minimum liability limits. Step four, schedule an annual insurance review. Your business changes each year. New hires, new equipment, new risks. Your insurance should grow with your business. I recommend setting up a yearly policy review with your independent agent, like myself, to make sure everything's in check. Step five, keep certificates of insurance on file. Whether you're a vendor at an event or bidding on a project, always keep your certificate of insurance up to date and ready to go. Now, here are my final thoughts. Compliance isn't just about avoiding penalties. It's about protecting your business, your people, and your peace of mind. If you're unsure whether your current coverage meets state or industry standards, let's connect. I'll review it with you. No pressure, just guidance. And if you would like, please share this video with another business owner. But most importantly, subscribe to the channel. However, don't stop here. Watch my next video where I will explain how to protect your commercial property from unexpected losses. Also, as I like to say, call Jay today. Thanks for listening.